Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Callie. Today I'm filming a vlog. We're at Sunken Gardens and I just wanted to get out and like get some fresh air, just be in nature. It's really pretty out here. And I'm with Liz. Hello. Elizabeth and her sister. Hi.
She don't love me, she's too scary. I hope it's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no maybe. In the meantime, it's a me time. Hope you know what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit me in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need much, I'm fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. Got this time, go where I want. Hope you do what you want.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding.